Fjögur húru, fjögur húru, nach truaglechten jólaleu, nach kmochua húru, nach truaglechten húru, nach kmochua húru. Vimbahan beko hololeo, ishal kuru. Vimbahan bekuru, ishal kuru. Galop shiamen hololeo, scan saptui. Gan loop shiamen huru, gan loop tui huru, sush gan bian holo, shias narule shuru.
This song is about a girl who was stolen by the fairies. And her friends didn't know where she was until one day her sister happened to be resting on an owl, which was actually the fairy dwelling. And she heard her sister down below singing this song. Fiúr, sister, O sister, hearest thou my plaint, nach truaret mo chunga. Smin bohan big, eagle kung, and I in a little bothy, low and narrow, without thatch or rope holding the thatch, and the rain of the bens raining down on it.